Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stella Orafo, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys my wash day routine. So please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. First of all, I always have my rice water with me so that I normally use it to detangle my hair because it suits my hair very well. As you can see, my hair is very long overdue. If you know me, you know I'm always on cornrow because I normally wear wigs. So when I do my cornrow, I normally carry it for like a month before I take it out. I don't like stressing my hair all the time. So I hate the smell of this thing. I normally do this to detangle my hair and take out the remaining. Then I go with my detangling. So this is how I detangle my hair most of the time. I'm done detangling my hair, guys. As you can see, my hair is a lot fuller. Maybe it doesn't look like that on camera, but I trust me, it's way too fuller and softer. I'm done. So for today's wash day, I got this Mielle Rosemary Mint collection, and I'm so excited to try it out. Yeah, you guys know I'm a fan of Kentu, but I started to use this one earlier this year, so I'm excited to show you guys how this works. Yeah, I'm going to do all my videos sitting here because my bathroom doesn't have that good light. So first of all, start with my Mielle Rosemary Mint Straightening Shampoo. Yeah, I'll also wet my hair more with rice water before I get started. Yes. Okay. It smells like rosemary mint. I'll go and wash it, guys, and I'll see you guys. So I've washed out my shampoo, and as you can see, my hair has shrinked. So but one thing I noticed about the shampoo is that it has this mint sensation, like you know when you lick this sweet, that is it Tom Tom or maybe Mentos, it will be cold in your mouth. That's how my hair feels right now. It's like it's chilly. It gives me this mint sensation. So the next I'm going to be going with my Mielle hair mask. Yeah. I'm going to apply this throughout my hair. I'm supposed to section my hair, but I'm feeling so cold right now. I don't know if I can do that, but you're supposed to section your hair so that you can apply this evenly. and done. I have to put it in a shower cap, plastic bag, whatever you have. If you have head dryer, you can use it to warm it up, but I don't have, so I'm gonna leave this for like 30 minutes before washing it out. So see you in 30. It's been 30 minutes, guys, and oh yeah, it's all synced in. Yeah, so I'll go and wash it and I'll get back to you guys. I just finished washing my hair, guys, and it's so shrinked. Look at this. So next I have to use my scalp and hair straightening oil. I'll use this and I'll put this into my scalp. Oh yes. So I'll massage it into my scalp. Yeah, my hair is still wet though. I also like to use my Sunny Eye, so you know, black Jamaican castor oil, but just for the roots as well. I'll put a little bit in my arm, palm, and I'll use it for my. I'm in a hurry because I'm going out, and then I used to rest inside my hair. Ooh. The next I have to use my tea tree oil, essential oil. I just like putting it into my scalp as well. I'll go with my Rosemary Daily styling cream. So I'll just pop a few into my arm. Shit. This thing is not working. It's not working. Look. Just have to open it because I don't have time for this. Whoa. I'll put it in my hair. Oh, I like how silky this thing is. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So afterwards, I'm gonna come there. My hair has never been softer than this. So it's very silky. I like how it feels on my hair. Just trying to style my hair. I'm going to use my Eco styling gel to try to, you know, sleek the hair. I don't know what is wrong with it. I'm going to put it on my edges, because I'm going out. If not, I'm not going to apply this. I'll use this brush. So I'm going to go back like this. Guys, I'm done with this hair care routine, and styling my hair is one of the things I don't know how to do, but I'm still learning. It took me like 15 minutes to pack this hair, literally. So I'm just going to bring out a little edge. What the fuck? What the fuck? Even this how it's done. God have mercy. I don't know what the hell I'm doing like this. I think I tried. Okay. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video and I hope the video is helpful to you. This Mielle brand, I think I like it. Like the mint makes your hair feels like it's in a fridge, in a refrigerator. So that's one thing I like about it. Is rosemary mint. The mint they put there is not for joke. Literally, your hair will feel like it's in a refrigerator, and my hair feels so soft and I like it. So thank you for watching and staying to this point. I would say my most favorite product is this one, this styling gel, this styling whatever they call it. Like it's so silky. I like it. And the shampoo, in fact I like all of them. This is my first time using it, so it didn't fail me, it didn't disappoint. So thank you so much for watching and staying to this point. I love you guys so much. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload a video. I'm so late, I'm going out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.